try explain. Tell me no why you're none fear stress my brain. Me hex them vex them still a text and still a try fi explain. See me pon the right gal, better take the left lane. Hex a try hex.
Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Welcome back to the channel. Listen, let me address the current elephant in the blood in the room right now. Manchester United was shit over the weekend. Massive, massive shit. We didn't play well in the second half, and we need to talk about it. But first, remember, drop a like on the video, subscribe down there for brand new. Let's grow the channel together. Referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. First and foremost, hey, listen, we were shit. No cutting shot, no cutting corners about that. We were absolute shit. Second half, absolute shit. We played well in the first half. We had arguably two great chances. One for Rashford, one for Bruno Fernandes back post, one for Rashford in front of the goal, and it was shit. We should have scored at least 2 goals in the first half. That didn't happen. And Liverpool was just clinical in the first half. One chance, 1 goal in the first half. And after that, it was just curtains. Liverpool was clinical. And with the Anfield crowd behind them, Liverpool was absolutely clinical. And I respect them for that. They haven't played well all season. They played a couple games well. 9-0 against Bournemouth. They played well a couple games. But that game, they were on for it. I think Casemiro was a little bit injured because he didn't see him himself. Everybody was just shit from De Gea all the way to Wakehorse. Absolute shit. No excuses. No freaking excuses. Manchester United played that shit. But remember this. Liverpool won 7-0. Manchester United won 2-1 in the previous games. In the previous home game against Liverpool. So the only thing you get over us is 7 goals, fam. Because we get the 3 points, you get the 3 points. That's it. That is it. Don't forget that Liverpool are second on team in the last 5 years to Manchester City. You barely win one. And the one that you won, nobody was in the stadium to watch you won that league. Remember that. In the past 30 years, you only have one Premier League title to your name. And the one that you had, nobody was sitting there to watch you win it. Remember that, Liverpool fans. No phone right now talking about Liverpool this and Liverpool that. None of you haven't lived to see Liverpool win a Premier League title but one time. And you didn't see it live. You saw it on your TV. So don't come to Manchester United fans when you talk about Manchester United winning the Premier League over and over. Here, don't come to me with that. You remember that you guys are second and runner. You guys, you come like Robin. Yeah. Always a run back a Batman. Yeah. Second and superhero is what you are. You win one title when nobody not there. Every time else, Manchester City, Chelsea, Leicester. What have you been doing? Man United winning. Arsenal winning at the 2000s. What have you been doing, Liverpool? Nothing. You come second, third, fifth. So you take your second, your 98 points second, your 97 points second. Take your trophies, your 97-point trophy, and run with it, Parry. Because as you guys might be able to tell, Manchester United is coming back. We are coming back. And you can see the signs of that this season. And don't get me wrong, the 6-2, the 6-3 from Manchester City, okay. The 7 love from Liverpool, okay. The 4 love from Brentford, okay. But don't forget all of the other performances that we've had this season. And don't forget that Manchester United, when we roll back, we are going to roar. You're going to hear us roar. So take a laugh. You have your laugh this time. Have your laugh. Have fun with it. I was down for the past day. Today I recovered. You know why? I have faith in Eric Ten Hag. I have faith in these players. I know that we're going to put on a performance on Thursday. I know that we're going to perform to the best of our ability. And I trust these players. I trust this coach to bring out the best. So, yeah, we lost to Liverpool. But we'll be back. We will be back. You just remember that. We will be back. So come this Thursday, I'll be happy to support Manchester United again, watch them play again, and we will be back fully. You remember that. So all of my friend them right now who's been texting me in a group from Sunday talking about this, that, and Manchester United. It's okay. I'm going to take a week away from you guys. Mute the text for a week. Don't if you want to talk to me, check my YouTube channel, comment section, and me coming to you on there. I'm not talking to you until Sunday. I'm going to take away from you guys because you guys don't deserve to hear me more right now. I don't deserve to hear your mouth right now. So talk to me next on Sunday. But until then, you remember me tell you, Manchester United is coming for your heads next year. But for now, we'll focus on the FA Cup. We'll focus on the Europa League and making the Champions League. And remember, while Liverpool are celebrate them 7-love, are in 7 up, them still 6 points behind us, fam. 6 points behind us. You try remember that. And I hope Tottenham maintain them 4th place so that Liverpool come 5th, 6th, or probably even 7th. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to drop a like on video. Subscribe right down there if you're new. Bless yourself. Bless up others. Suck yourself, Liverpool. Manaz.